This old guy DIY has to do with bypassing a Bose amp. This is a 2003 Chevy Tahoe with the Bose system. We just put in an aftermarket Pioneer head unit, and you got some subs and batteries and all kinds of stuff that could launch a moonshot. But anyway, if in fact you're going to cut out the amp, we found the easy thing to do is in this plug that comes into the back of the amp, you have several wires that are important. And particularly in the Bose system, you have the left and right channel. Try to get this. So the left channel was dark green for negative and then tan for positive, and the right channel was light green for positive and orange and black for negative. So I came back here and just cut the corresponding wires of those colors, and then knowing that this plug that comes into the back of the Bose amp had the inputs as well as the outputs, we took the left channel positive and negative and just wire tied that to the positive and negatives for the left front and left rear, and then we did the same thing with the right channel. So the easy thing to do is just go back, pull out the center console, grab this connector that's on the left hand side that has many wires coming out of it. You can get the pin out from the internet, or you can know the left channel is dark green negative, tan positive, right channel is light green positive, orange and black negative, and then you just get your corresponding colors for the door speaker, wire nut or solder, and have at it. Have a good day.